Hey, here is the answer to your frequently asked question for day 1 of the Health Writing for Health Professionals 101 series. Do you need a training or a certification in order to become a health content writer? Wonderful question, and the answer might surprise you. In reality, there's no formal and widely acknowledged training or certification for health content writing. Now, if you are thinking of other types of medical and health writing, remember there are at least 9 different types, and health content writing is just one of them. For some of those other types of medical writing, there are certifications that you can get that can support you in going down that trajectory. The American Medical Writers Association offers several of them, but those are really geared toward folks who are going into a different type of medical writing. When we're looking at health content writing, things are different. There's no formal or widely acknowledged training or certification for health content writing specifically. Also, if you are thinking about content writing in general rather than health content writing specifically, then you can also find content writing certifications. But again, if we are looking specifically at health content writing, there is no formal and widely accepted or widely acknowledged training or certification program. So beyond that answer of no, here is what you really need to understand about training programs and certification programs. In the world of health content writing, your experience and specifically your portfolio or your samples that demonstrate your writing work are clean. They are top of the top. So regardless of whether you or not you have done a particular training program or whether you have gotten a certification, whether you have done a writing fellowship program, all of that matters much less than your experience and your ability to demonstrate your health content writing work through actual samples. No certification is going to replace the importance of that portfolio and the importance of those samples. So when folks ask me if they need a particular training or certification, my answer is usually this. If the training or the program comes along with the opportunity to actually gain writing experience, by all means, go for it. If it doesn't, if it's just a didactic and informational program, it's not that you shouldn't necessarily pursue it, but know that completing that program in itself, getting that certificate in and of itself, is not going to necessarily qualify you or improve your candidacy or qualifications to be a health content writer. In order to do that, you have to put pen to paper, you have to get active, and you have to build your experience.